Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm installing this wig from Alipearl hair. So if you'd like to see how I installed it, keep watching. So we're gonna cut our ear holes out the wig cap, just like that. Now, normally I use Got2b spray to mold down my wig caps, but today we're going to be using Ghost Bond glue, and I switched over to this way of doing my wig cap, and it's so much faster. So you just wait for it to dry, clear, and then you cut around. After you cut around, then you're going to take some lace tint spray in your skin color, of course. I don't like using makeup because I think it's like too cakey, so my go-to is always lace tint spray. Spray the lace tint spray on the wig cap and also spray it on the frontal. Hey guys, this hair is straight out the box. I did not have to bleach it. It came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so it's not really much I had to do. It's kind of like put it on and go, which I knew I was finna eat this color up, so I was hype. But yeah, I love how it came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do that much to it before install. And you know, I was really surprised by the quality of this hair and how soft it was. Like straight out the box, like you could just put it right on. Like that's crazy to me. And the lace was super thin, which you can't trust every hair company. So this 10 out of 10. So the look I was going for was soft, clean, middle part, no baby hairs. And I think I did a pretty good job at it. I never did no baby hair look before, so I felt like with this color, I don't think that baby hairs would complement it in the way that it would with a black wig, you know? Another thing I was so shocked about was the color. Like, whoever colored this wig at Alipearl, like, y'all did the daggone thing. Like, the color is something I've never seen before. Now I'm just going in with my tweezers and plucking the hairline just a little bit so it can lay a little bit more flatter at the very front. Really didn't need to pluck it, but I wanted to. Now the key to melting your lace is to melt it twice. So after you melt it with Ghost Bond or whatever glue you use, then go on top of it with like got to be spray or lace melting spray and lay it down one more time. Now I was going for big beach waves for this look, but it just wouldn't hold the curl. So I ended up having to use my flat iron to curl the hair, and the flat iron curl seemed to last a little bit longer, so you'll see me switch to my flat iron in like a few minutes. Y'all, I done curled my hair about twice in a row each side, and this side was just curling so much better than the other side. I don't know why. I don't know why it was doing me like that. And as soon as I whip out that flat iron, look how it curls. Just watch. Look at that. I should have started with the flat iron in the first place, child. You guys, this is how it came out. I absolutely love this hair. Absolutely love this color. I'm going to keep installing this hair until I can't install it no more. So you guys, if you are interested in purchasing this wig, you can find the link in my description box, so make sure you check that out. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!